If you ask this question, a very simple math question between, a baby, a very young child, and babies can actually do math, but that's for a different video. But if you ask this question between a normal adult and a very young child or a baby who's capable of answering these questions, the normal answer people will choose is that the midpoint between 1 and 16 is most people are likely to pick 8. But the question is this the right answer? I mean, obviously 16 by 2 is 8, and so most people would say, hey, I think this is likely to be the midpoint. But if you really think about this, what is the proportion between 4 and 1 and 16 and 4? So 4 times 4 is 16, 1 times 4 is 4. So basically, from a proportionality perspective, these two sections are equivalently proportional. And this is how a baby thinks. I'll give a simple example. So this could be the right answer if you are thinking, not arithmetically. This is a logical sequence, arithmetic sequence. But if you're thinking from a logarithmic sequence, this is how the way you do it. If you ask a baby, what is 1 plus 1, or how far is 1 and 2 away from each other, the baby will say, 1 actually is 1 more than 1 to get to 2. So this is basically 100% larger to 1 that you need to add to get to 2. And so they think of this as a difference between 1 and 2 as being either 50% larger. 2 is 2 is actually 100% larger than 1. And the difference between 1 and 102 is actually very, very small if you really think about it. Very interesting if you think about how babies think about math, how adults think about math. Go have fun.